one. Alright, we're in Poor Man's Mechanic's house right now. Here with Driveway Mechanics. Oh shit, doing some sketchy shit. Viewer discretion is advised. This is dangerous. I don't recommend this to anybody. But you gotta do what you gotta do.
And
this,
the mounts where you put a snap ring pliers is fucked already.
and we got this far and figured we'd show the world some sketchy shit. Oh, this is gonna hurt possibly. Oh, is it gonna come out easily? Oh, it didn't kill me. Alright. So
We're good.
we're good.
That's how
God,
you
that
do it?
thing had some tension.
It's fucked.
No, this ain't bad.